Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV drive data recordings for later dealer diagnosis, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by locating the EV drive recording device in your vehicle. Make sure the vehicle is turned off before accessing the device. Consult the vehicle's manual to identify the precise location of the recording device. Once located, carefully open the cover or compartment that houses the device. If your device has a removable storage card, gently pull it out. If your device does not have a removable storage card, connect the EV drive directly to a computer using a compatible USB cable. If using a storage card, insert it into a card reader connected to your computer. Open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the drive or card associated with the EV recording device. Select the folder containing the data recordings. Copy all relevant files to your computer's hard drive. Create a new folder on your computer to organize these recordings for easy access. Label the folder with the date and type of recordings for future reference. After copying, safely eject the storage card or disconnect the USB cable. If you wish to create a backup of these recordings, consider using an external hard drive or cloud storage. Transfer the copied files to your external hard drive or upload them to your cloud storage. Ensure that the backup is complete by verifying that all files are accessible. If available, consider creating a second backup in a separate location. Keep a record of the backup dates and locations for future reference. Once the data is securely backed up, take note of any specific issues your vehicle might be experiencing. Document these issues clearly in a separate text file or notebook. When ready for dealer diagnosis, provide both the backup and your documentation to the dealer. This complete guide ensures your EV drive data recordings are safely stored for any future needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.